Here's how to solve sound not working on iPhone. Check silent mode. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Here, look for the bell icon. If it is activated, tap on it to turn off silent mode. You should briefly see the word ring on the screen, confirming the sound is enabled. Increase the volume. Press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone. For more control, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen and drag the volume slider up. This ensures the sound isn't muted at a system level. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Sometimes sound may be routed to a Bluetooth device like headphones or speakers. Open your control center, tap the Bluetooth icon to switch it off, and your iPhone will automatically return to using the built-in speakers. If the sound still isn't working, restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. After restarting, test the sound again. Test with a different app or media. Sometimes the problem lies with the specific media, file, or app, not your iPhone itself. Contact Apple support. If none of these fixes work, the issue may be hardware-related, and it's best to contact Apple support. Or visit an authorized service provider. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.